Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy International Tea Day and I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'm excited to be sharing a DAVIDsTEA haul. It's been a while and they had this incredible sale on their website and I was so excited to order. So if you want to see what I picked out from the sale, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea and let's get started. So the first item I pulled out was the tea menu catalog from DAVIDsTEA. This is actually, I believe, my first order from DAVIDsTEA. I've gone into the DAVIDsTEA store, but this is my first online order this year, which is crazy. I can't even believe that. And I haven't seen this before, so I was really excited to see all the different teas they carry listed, some tea recipes, some ideas on how to make your tea, the iced teas. This was so fun to look through. And just in case you haven't, placed an online order like me, I thought I would just quickly showcase it because I loved it. I also loved seeing the matcha section. As you guys know, I absolutely love matcha. Also a shout out to my friend Patricia who told me about the sale going on. I saved oh my gosh, you guys, it was over $100 something from this sale and she hadn't told me about it. I totally would have missed out. So thank you so much, Patricia. Now let's get into the tea. So the first one you're seeing is one you've definitely seen me make as a latte on here on my YouTube channel as well as on my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller. Sweet potato pie is so good. It definitely has like an autumn feel to it, but I love it year-round. It's so delicious. I also ordered some more peach Zing tea. You might remember this tea from one of my DAVIDsTEA tea subscription tea tasting club boxes. This was in their summer pack. I think it was a year ago now. And I fell in love with it. It was just so delicious and good. A really delicious fruit infusion tea. Some really yummy little peach bits in it. And it's just very delicious, good hot and iced. I also decided to take a chance and try a tea I haven't tried before, which is this more kind of smoky black tea. DAVIDsTEA describes as tasting very strong and like a campfire. And sometimes I'm actually a fan of more smoky black tea. So decided to take a chance with this one and I'll let you guys know what I think. Now up next we have a tea that's very nostalgic for me because it reminds me of Cranberry that came out back in, I believe it was 2012, Christmas 2012. And this reminds me so much of it and that's the scent of it and the taste is just so nostalgic to me. So I had to stock up on this. I know it's a Christmas tea, but honestly you guys, it tastes great year round. Also on the Christmas vibes, of course, you guys know this is one of my favorite matcha teas from DAVIDsTEA, the gingerbread matcha. I had to order more and how cute is this packaging? It's adorable. And I love having this as iced in the summertime and hot, obviously, during the fall and winter season. It is just, you guys, it's so good if you haven't had it. I do actually have a video on how I like to make it. I'll leave a link up above this screen. Now also another tea that's quite nostalgic to me is Just Beat It. This came out, I want to say a couple years ago, but I think it's actually been longer, maybe 2016, 2017, can't quite remember. But this tea was such a good deal because it's in the tea bags, really nice travel tea to bring with me. So I had to stock up on that. Now, out of all the teas in here, the one I was most excited to try right away was Mistletoe, which is the tea I'm going to be making and showing you guys today. Mistletoe is a white tea. It is caffeine free and inside it, of course, you have some cranberry, but you also have some apple pieces, raisins, hibiscus blossoms. You also have some natural cranberry and apple flavoring. And you also have some cloves in there, some cinnamon, some mistletoe, the white tea, and rose petals. And this tea is so good. I used about 2 and a bit of perfect spoons, and then I did steep this tea for 5 minutes, and I did a temperature of about 90 degrees Celsius for this. And when it was done, I was so excited to enjoy it. I had it as is, no sugar, nothing like that. It tastes so good just on its own. This tea is also delicious iced, so I definitely recommend trying it iced as well, especially in the summer. If you have this tea on hand, it is so good. And that is it for today's video. I would love to know which of these teas you would like to try first. Please let me know down below. I'll also have all the teas shown linked down below in the description bar of this video. I am an affiliate for DAVIDsTEA, which means I do earn a small commission if you should purchase an item. A huge thank you to those that do use these links. It really does help me out a lot. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Happy International Tea Day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.